guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I have the Precuts quilt box for us to open today. Now, just in full transparency, I did open this up and start going through it, but I had my microphone not turned on, so there would have been no sound. So I'm refilming this. I've seen about half of the items in here. I haven't looked through all the fabric yet though. So first, of course, we've got our zipper bag. And I am really excited about getting this box again. I used to get it and it's always been one of my favorite boxes. I had taken a little bit of a break from it just so I could try out some other boxes and see what was out there. But I couldn't wait to get back to it. All right, so the first thing that I got was this, and it is just a little notions holder. And you can just stick your stuff right down into it. And I got it in this really pretty aqua blue color. I've had one of these before that I got in another box, and I do really like them. I almost bought one separate from that, but just hadn't never done it because I bought something else instead to hold my stuff. Now this is the pattern this month, and oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. I love it. It is these beautiful flowers, and I just love how the quilt is framed with these little corners. Oh, so gorgeous. And it is fat eighth or fat quarter friendly. It's from, it's named Autumn Garden, and it makes a 62 by 78 inch quilt. So a nice size quilt. It lists that as twin size. I really like that one. Oh, and for the record, I believe it is all just traditional piecing, no paper piecing or anything like that, I don't think. All right. Next, we got this panel, and it's a Christmas panel. It is, I think it's from Poppy Cotton. Yep, Poppy Cotton. And it has these different ornaments on it. So you got the little snowman and the Santa, the reindeer. And I love this pink Christmas tree. It's so cute. It also has these quilt labels on it, which would be great for a holiday quilt. That one's really pretty with the holly, or the mistletoe, I guess it is. Beautiful. And I'm not sure if these are meant as quilt labels, but I was thinking these would be fantastic to add a little bit of batting and a backing fabric, and then you could just make reusable Christmas tags. Obviously, you'd probably be writing somebody's name on there, but if you wrote it with a heat erasable pen, then it would last to be identified on Christmas, and then you could just throw them in the dryer and the writing would disappear, and you could use them again next year. Just an idea. And then the final part of the panel is this beautiful banner, and it says Merry Christmas. And then it has, where are they? The little snowman, the Santa Claus with really foofy eyelashes, which I think is so funny and adorable. And the reindeer and another Santa. So that's the panel. Very cute. And that doesn't really have anything to do with our main project. Our main project, I think, is that flower quilt, which I just love. I adore that. And we got 2 extra pieces. This is the green for our leaves, I believe. It says that we need 1/4 yard, and that's probably about what that is. So yes, that is 1/4 yard. So I think I would choose to use a little bit more muted green if they're to be autumn leaves, but this would be really beautiful if you wanted to make a spring version of the quilt, or maybe even a summer version. Very pretty, and that'll come in handy. All right, next we got this, and I'm guessing this is probably our binding. I don't know, we're probably gonna have to come back to this and find out when we look through our little pamphlet, which I'll do at the end. And then we've got our beautiful stack of fabric. And these look to be fat eighths, or I believe they're fat eighths. Yes, they are. All right, I'm going to turn you into a downward position so that you can see these better. Okay, so our first fabric is this beautiful floral on navy. And this is really cute. It's not quite a ditzy floral because it's a little bit bigger than that, but it's also very pretty. And it looks like this is Eden by Gabriel Neal. And I would imagine that's probably what this entire line is. This is interesting. It's like a olive kind of green, and it looks like maybe some kind of a sun print or something. I'm not sure what you would call that. Oh, and we've got our first floral, but with a white background. Very bright and beautiful. This is a good blender. Oh, you know I love the strawberries. Oh, I like that smaller floral print in this colorway. That's beautiful. Ooh, this is very modern, and or maybe even mod, like mid-century. Very cute. Very kitschy. And we've got that same print that we had earlier where it was kind of an olivey color, but this is a light pink. Ooh, now we've got a mustard background for that floral. Oh, I love this one. That's beautiful. I like that a lot. Ooh, I really like this pattern in the yellow. That's really pretty. I like this better in the yellow as well. Oh, I also like it in this peachy color. Wow, that's so bright and happy. Look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. Ooh, I like this too. Not as much as I think I like the yellow version, but it is still very pretty. Oh, back to that mid-century modern kind of one. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice blender, and I love this color. It's like, I think I'd call this berry. Very pretty color. It's very pretty. All right, and this one again. Oop, don't want to miss that strawberry print. Oh, I like that too. It's such an unusual color combination. And then this is our last one, and it's the same as that berry color one, except for it's in like a darker green. I don't know if you'd call that forest or hunter or what you'd call that. It's very pretty. That is a beautiful line, and I think that would look really cute with that. Yeah, actually they show it made up with all of these fabrics. Oh yes, I like this a lot. I think I'm going to have to make this pattern for sure. All right, so the Autumn Garden pattern has a retail value of $12. And our Fat Eighth bundle says there are 21 of them, and that retails for $52. Actually, it says it's a 21 piece Fat Eighth bundle. 20 of the Fat Eighth pieces are, I guess, from one line, and then there's one blended fabric, so maybe one is from a different line. Not exactly sure what that means, but in any case, there's 21 pieces. I'm not even sure what piece in there would be from a different line because I thought there were multiple. Anyways, so 21 piece Fat Eighth bundle has a retail value of $52. And then there is, the half yard, and that has a retail value of $7.50, and that is supposed to be our binding fabric. And quarter yard of solid fabric, which retails for $3.50. Our really cute Christmas panel, which needs to be refolded, retails for $16. And our stacker organizer retails for $11.48. And then we have our project bag, which has a retail of $4. It looks like, including shipping and handling, she values the box at $117.33. So pretty good value. I think this box comes in just under $60. So I think you get your money's worth out of it. And I love her taste in fabric. I usually love everything that she sends out. And it says, they always come with a coupon code on the back. And this month it is save 25% on your entire order. And it's valid from September 5th to October 1st. Oh, and this month's winner, because she does like a free box every month, if you share it. This month's winner is Heather Hensley from Arizona. So congratulations, Heather. If you ever watch this video, I hope you enjoy your free month. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you again next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.